Hello, Subhrajan. Today our topic are how the electricity and what the electricity consumption. So we are taking the example about the computer. How much electricity does a computer use or consume? We subscribe our channel to get the more latest videos like this. If you ever wonder electricity works, then you are not alone in this. The relation between electricity and computer since it depends, and many have a magical intuition in their mind about it. In order to keep the computer system works, you must possess the basic ideas of how a computer works and how much electricity the computer uses. We have written this educated our readers to a little more about electricity usage of the computer. Most computers operated on the power consumption of 400 watts per hour, but this can be vary according to the computer usage. The CPU required about the same number of watt-hours as a standard bulb, and a device running on a process of a type of a Pentium used in around 100 watt-hours. This is estimated with the monitor of condition that monitors on a computer is likely to use more power than actual process itself. When the computer is switched on a rated of electricity usage, increase the different computer uses different amount of energy monitor, speaker, printer, and other hardware which will added within a computer. Then the consumption will be slightly and vary with that usage. And computer is a processes device, means a different time have a different load. All of that affect the use of electricity. Furthermore, the usage of electricity is strongly dependent on the video card which uses a significant amount of energy. Crossfire of SLI during a 3D game can affect electricity. Means if you use the video card on the computer and then you start the 3D games, then the consumption of a computer will be varies. I think that topic will be clearly explained, but I have given a little example about their consumptions. Electricity using depend on the utilization of a power software. For example, MS Word will be less power than the game play. Uploading, downloading, streaming file will all take up more energy, and reading a PDF file or doing something else equivalent to the documents. It's never different software and never different loads. With the following example, you can take a rough table on many electricity cannot estimate how much electricity within a very amount of countless possible use. These different softwares and different computer countless uses the more electricity and different. If a computer is using in the sleep, are you confused about the notation that the computer takes more energy in the sleep? That's properly shut off. Then you're not alone in this. People think the powering of a computer level difference between the putting machine to the sleep shutdown and the right use some ways we also discuss about some ways to reduce the electricity of a computer. There are various things when you manage or when you either multiple outlets for your personal computer and necessary join them via single power trips. That's where the computer are needed to pull off single plug in the every stores. Following every device is connected using the laptop, whether to the desktop and or other computer that is simply to control the electricity consumption. There is a portable or a portably is followed by a greater flexible and the class uses in this. Means the more usage and the more average aim of this topic has been the more usage of electrical device or a more browsing then electrical consumption of a computer will be slightly in the variable according to their use, and it will be the clearly explained that the 3D games and the live streaming or consume more electricity than other usage of a computer. Thanks for watching my video. Please keep subscribe me and also subscribe my channel. If you require any topic about the electricity, please comment below. I will be provide as soon as possible. Thanks.